first starting out with this little Makeup Revolution palette. I'm going to use that gray color in it just as my transition shade. I normally would never touch a color like this, but I wanted it to be cool toned because when I think cool toned, I just think death. So yeah, I'm using that gray as my transition color. And then the next color that I'm going to use is this like plumish brownish color. I don't know how to explain it, but it's a cool tone color as well, and I'm putting that in my crease. Then I just went back into the gray color again, and I'm blending out the edges of the second color. Now I'm taking this NYX Jumbo pencil in Black Bean, and I'm using that as a base for my lid. I don't know why I used that. I deadass hate those pencils. Like, it makes my eyes so oily. I should have used my Inglot gel liner, but I don't know, I was being lazy. So now I'm taking a brush and I'm just blending out the edges of that. Then I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and blend it out some more and blend the crease color into the black. And I'm going to take the black shadow from that palette and use it to set the base. Did my whole face makeup off camera, and you're gonna see it now. So I did my face makeup off camera because it's the same thing I always do, and I'm just taking this whitish eyeliner pencil and I'm using that to trace out where I want my legs to be. A lot of people in their videos, they do this before going in with the eyeliner, like an actual liquid liner. I can't fucking talk today. So they do this before going in with the liquid liner, and it made it so much easier because, you know, if you mess up, it's easy to fix with that. So I'm just drawing legs, and there's really no like strategy to it. I'm just drawing legs. I just want 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom. Well, really 4 on each side, whatever. And I just drew them in the same direction. I don't know if I was supposed to make them go in different directions or not, but I didn't. Now I'm taking my NYX matte liquid liner, and I'm gonna trace over the legs that I just drew. And I'm not being like too neat with this because spider legs are hairy and furry or whatever, so I'm just drawing over the lines I put, not being too careful. taking some black eyeshadow and kind of connecting the legs to the body of the spider, which is my eyelid, just so it didn't look like the legs was floating in midair. Now I'm taking this white liquid liner from NYX and I'm gonna put highlights on the legs because it just makes it look more realistic. I'm putting 2 on each leg and it's just like a random line wherever you want. Doesn't matter. It's not gonna make a difference where you put them or how big or small you put them. I'm just putting them anywhere. I'm going into this old ass Makeup Revolution palette and I'm taking that matte gray color and I'm going to use that to make the shadows, so it's giving the effect that like a light is shining on the spider, I guess. And I'm doing it really light at first because I'm just going to build it up later. I didn't want to mess it up, so I went in really light at first and I'm just drawing shadows following the shape of the legs, as you can see. So yeah, I'm still just building up the shadows, and this video is sped up, but I was really moving dumb slow doing this. I really took my time. So then in the next clip after this, I'm just adding a cool tone brown to like the tips of the legs, just so that it looks like that's really the point where the leg is touching my face. And then I'm just going to take a concealer brush that I use to do my eyebrows and I'm just going to clean up the shadows. Then I'm going back in with the NYX liner and just making the ends of the legs look really wispy and pointy. Now I'm lining my lips because I'm done with my spider. I'm using Bittersweet from MAC. And the lip gloss that I wore, I just wanted a nude lip. It's just some lip gloss from Milani. It's called Bare Secret. I don't think they sell it anymore. And then that's the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. This was mad fun to do. I've never done anything like this before, but it was fun.